I've got 4 hours. Let's see if we can get an RG built. Alright, over to the mic. Let's see if 4 hours is enough to finish the RX-78-3 Gundam Premium Bandai edition. I haven't built an RX-78, so I'm excited for it. To get these labeled and get cracking on it. I don't know if this is a little too ambitious. It's going to be hard. My daughter actually got called home from school because she's sick, and that might be another barrier to this accomplishment. Actually, that was a lie. This was my first Gundam ever. Run this label, 4 hours. First label. So much wasted time. And that one broken side. This is my best friend. 30 minutes and still no feet have been completed. 40 minutes, 2 feet done. I did have to get food, so I couldn't even. That's bad. I need to strategize a little bit. I think the one cut challenge is helping a lot. I really need to speed this up. Changing up strategy, I took each piece, cut it out, and put it on there. Not looking good. Waste done. At least there's something to look at. At this point, let's finish the model. Starting to stress myself out. I keep thinking I should have done like a high grade or something easier, or something I knew I could do. But it is what it is. And on top of that, like, my bird passed away, so I've had to do all the stuff for that. And that's the only time I've been pausing the timers for doing that, and that's just been kind of hard, especially with the little one here. Got the backpack going. This is one very difficult arm. I just wasted like 20 minutes on this stupid sticker. I hate this so much. Yeah. So I painted in gold. Yeah, it's so far out of the question now. And that's time. Almost got the head done. Can you build an RX-72 in 4 hours? I can't. But I did some pretty good damage on it. I feel like I learned quite a bit from building this. Maybe I could manage my time a little better. It was starting to get me a little bit stressed out. That's not really why I enjoy doing the building of these. It's more just to chill out and relax and have a little bit of fun. With that said, I will finish the build and get back. Update, and the leg broke. So I'm just painting some of these on. Went to bend the knee, and it will no longer bend any knees. Therefore, it's a sad day, but I'll just sell this for parts. You can usually get about as much as you paid for it in Japan, so goodbye, Mr. Blue. Bye-bye. I learned a lot about efficiency, so I never really thought about how to build maybe quicker or more efficient. And I learned a little bit of tips, like cutting out the pieces first and then putting them down on the mat and just picking them up and plopping them on. that made it really quick. But yeah, I think I'll have to try this again, maybe with something a little easier or with a lot more time.